everyone, welcome to online class of Modi Public School. Today we are going to discuss part 4 of chapter number 16, mensuration. In our previous classes we had discussed about area and perimeter. In today's class we are going to discuss volume. Volume is simply the amount of space occupied by any object. Okay. So here we will be discussing how to calculate volume of a cube and of a cuboid. Here you can see question number 1, it is taking volume of 1 cube equals to 1 cubic centimeter, find the volume of the following figures. Here you can see cubes are given. You all are familiar of the shape cubes and cuboid. This shape is cube and this is cuboid. Cubes are having all the sides of same length. Length, breadth, heights are same. And here we have got different length, breadth and height in cuboid. So here 1 cube's volume is 1 cubic centimeter. Then we have to find the volume of the given figures. So if volume of 1 cube is 1 cubic centimeter, then we have got 3 cubes here. 1, 2, 3. So its volume will be 3 cubic centimeter. I hope it is clear to you. Now look at this figure. We have to calculate. So here we have got 1. You can see this cube. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now similarly at the down part also we have got 4 cubes. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 cubic centimeter will be the volume. Now look at this figure. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cubes. Then 8 here, 8 plus 8, 16, and then 8 here at the downside, okay, at the bottom side. So 16 plus 8 is 24. So the volume of whole figure is 24 cubic centimeter. Now look at this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here the volume is 8 cubic centimeter. Now let us discuss question number 2. Calculate the volume of the following cubes and cuboids by using a formula. Now we have to use the formula to calculate volume of these cubes and cuboids. Here it is the B part. A part is already done. Look at this B part. Here length, breadth and height are given to us. So let us calculate its volume. Volume of a cuboid is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So here we have put the values 7 into 5 into 0.5. Now we have to multiply all these three. 17.5 is the volume. Now we have to take care of the unit. The unit will be cubic centimeter. Okay, we can write it like this, or another way is 17.5 cubic centimeter. Okay, so this is how we write units while we calculate volume of any figure. Okay, this is the unit, cubic centimeters. Let us now solve this D part. Here you can see it's a cube because all the edges are of same length. So it's a cube. So let us calculate its area. Volume of a cube is side multiplied by side multiplied by side. Okay, the value of side is 5. So 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now we have to multiply. So the product is 125 and the unit will be cubic centimeter. So this is what we have to take care of. If we have to calculate volume of a cuboid, it will be length into breadth into height. And if we want to calculate volume of a cube, it will be side multiplied by side multiplied by side. Here, now look at this page number 131 of your maths book. Here nets of some 3D shapes are given. Okay, now look at these figures. Here we have to find out this net, which 3D object we will get. So here it's a net of a cuboid. It's a net of a cuboid because here you can see the shape faces are rectangular in shape. So it's a cuboid. Then look at this one. Number of faces are 6 and the faces shape of each face is square. So it's a net of a cube. Now can you guess which 3D shape will we get? Yes, it's a net of a cylinder. Okay, by folding this rectangular shape you can get the body of the cylinder. Now look at this one, it's a net of a cone. So here we have discussed that what volumes are, volumes of cube and cuboid, and some nets of 3D shape. That's all for today's class. Thank you so much.